Shopify collection tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own collections in Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign into Shopify. Now, if you don't have an account, you just have to enter in your email address over here in this bar and then just simply click on the button. But if you already have an account, just simply click on the login button over here at the top right corner. Now, I already have an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. So over here, once I click on the login button, now I just simply have to choose my store. All right, so once you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like, right? This is going to be your dashboard. Over here, you just simply add your products, customize themes, add pages, organize navigation, and add domain, right? So we're here to create a collection. So let's go ahead and do that. So in order to create a collection, what you're going to do is come over here onto the left side and click on products. And over here, you can add different products, right? And once you're over here on the left side, you will see inventory, transfers, and collections and gift cards. What you're going to do, as you might have guessed it, click on the collections option over here. It's going to take you over here. So over here, you have your home page, right? And over here, you can create a collection. So let's go ahead and create a collection. And over here, you can go ahead and add in the name of your collection. So let's say winter collection. And then down below you can add a description. So and then you can add the collection type, automated or manual. I'm going to choose manual. And then you have your condition, products must match all conditions, any conditions. I'm going to choose any conditions, and the theme template is I'm going to be setting it to default. And you can post this collection on your online, and over here you can add your collection images, and over here you can add the description. I'm going to say the perfect collection for winters. And once you've done that, all you have to do is just simply click on save. But and you also need to add different products as well. So I only have currently one product, so for me to actually create a collection, I need to have like more products. So to add a product, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the app store and see if I already have a dropshipping app. I'm just simply going to quickly add different products, right? So I'm going to be using Deezer over here. It's a pretty amazing dropshipping application that lets you, import different products from AliExpress into your Shopify account. So I'm going to open it up and import all of my collections. So I'm going to go ahead and click on find app. It's going to take me over to the installation page where I can just simply add the application. And then what we're going to do is we're going to simply install the application. All right. And once it's installed, so as you can see over here, once it's installed, this is how it's going to look like. So we're just simply going to click on it and open it up. And over here, we are good to go. So now I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on the import list, and I'm going to open up AliExpress in another account. All right, in another tab, and I'm just simply going to search for, let's say, winter jacket, for men or women, it doesn't really matter. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. So let me just open this up, and this one, and this one, and this one as well in another tab. And I'll open this one as well, and I would say this one as well. And I think this looks good. Let me just add a bunch of different more like this one. Maybe I'll just, instead of winter, I'll just simply search for jackets. All right, I'm going to switch it to order, and then we have these ones as well. So I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and a couple of more, I think, and we should be good to go. So now I'm going to start importing them. All right, so to import them, I'll just simply copy the link. All right, go back to Deezer. Now I'm going to simply paste the link, and I'll click on OK. And here we go. Now I'm just simply going to move on, and I'll quickly go ahead and copy the other links as well, like this one, and paste them over here a bunch of different times like this, and the products will be imported over here. And once they're all imported, right, then what I'll do is I'll just simply push them all to Shopify, to my store, and then I'll show you how you can properly create a collection. Okay, so now we have a pretty decent list. So now what I'll do is I'll click on the tag management over here, and I'll click on winter as well. I want to add that tag. There we go. Now what I'll do is I'll just simply add the tags over here, click on add confirm, and I can, if I click over here, I can select all, or I can just simply select them all, click on add, and I'll just simply click on winter, and I'll quickly click on confirm, and now all of these products will have the winter tag. Now what I'll need to do is I'll just select them all, right, except for these two because they're already added. But actually I'll just simply add them as well, and I'll delete them from my product list over here. Now I did change my account because previously the other account, it just didn't work. For some reason I couldn't actually install the plugin, but now you know. So now we are deleting these two applications. So as you can see, they have now been deleted. Now what I'll do is I'll just simply click on push to Shopify, and all of these products are going to be pushed into my Shopify account, as you can see over here, and it's gonna show me how many that were imported. So I'm just simply gonna wait for it to finish. I'll pause the video right here. So now, as you can see, all 14 products have been successfully added. Now what we'll do is I'm just simply going to go back into my product section over here, and I'm going to reload the products over here. And over here, as you can see, we have all the products that I just recently imported. Now we'll go into the collections option over here, and we'll create a new collection. All right, so here we go. Now what I'll do is add the name. So I'm going to say winter collection over here, winter collection. There we go. Then I'm going to say the perfect collection to start your winter. There we go. Now what I'll do is I'm gonna come down over here. Since we added the tags, we'll just say product tag is equal to, and over here we can say that winter, and then we can go ahead and add the images of the product, right, of the collection. So for that, I think we need to add, I would say, an image. So let me just say, I'm gonna simply Google winter collection, and I'll just pick the first image that I can. All right, so we have these models over here. I think this image looks good, even though we have none of these products, but this is just for an example. You know, it should work. So I'm going to save this image. There we go. And now we just go back into our Shopify store and we just add that image that we downloaded. There we go. So we just simply click over here, and now the collection image is being added. And now we just simply click on save. And here we go. Our collection has now been added. So now we just select all of the products, and over here we should select the manual option over here, collection order updated. And now I think we are good to go, right? So if I go back, our collection has now been added. Now what I'll do is I'll go back into product, and I'll simply select all the products, and I'm going to click on more options, and I'm going to click on add tag as well, or we can just simply click on add to collections. But first I think we should add a tag. I'll say winter, and I'm going to click on add. So we'll add another one, you know, with the capital W, and here we go, and we'll click on save. All the tags have now been added. Now I'll just simply select all of the product, click on more options, and I'm going to click on add to collection. And over here we should have a winter collection, but it's not popping up, which is weird. Let me just see what is going on over here. There we go. So as you can see, since I added the tag, all of the collections that had the winter tag are in the collection. So we are good to go. Now there's nothing we can do. So this is pretty much it. So next, all you have to do is just set them to active. All right, set all of your products to active. As you can see, if I click over here, set as active, there we go, we can activate them if they're not already activated. And then if you click on your online store, and you can just simply go over to edit the site, and you can add the collection onto your website. So that is pretty much it, guys. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.